The fingertip device, also known as fingertip controls or joystick controls, is a control mechanism located on the operator's console or armrest of the reach truck. With just a touch of the fingertips, operators gain precise control over forward and reverse travel, lifting and lowering of the forks, and more. The fingertip device allows operators to confidently maneuver reach trucks in tight spaces, maximizing productivity and ensuring safe operation. Designed with operator comfort in mind, the ergonomic layout of the fingertip device ensures effortless control and reduces operator fatigue during long shifts.